Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. As you know that iPhone 14 series is right now in the leaks, and according to iPhone 14 latest report, Apple is planning some huge upgrade for its next generation iPhones. As you know that the iPhone 14 Pro variants will be including a little yet attractive design change. The iPhone 13 was coming with an old design, only the notch was smaller. According to the source, Apple is aiming to make the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro Max much more curved than the existing iPhone 13 Pro variants. You see, the iPhone 13 Pro features a unique design. The phone edges aren't as round as the camera bump, so this could be a new design change that we see for the iPhone 14 series. Obviously, this is an odd decision for the company like Apple, which is known for its cohesiveness. The edges of the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro has been considerably softened, ultimately addressing the old look of the iPhone 13 Pro. But wait, there is more. According to the source, the screen corners are much more curved than the 13 series. He also explains why Apple took this stance. If Apple kept the same radius as the iPhone 13 Pro, it would result in a pretty uneven looking handset. So that's why they are bringing the curved shape to the iPhone 14 Pro models. Anyhow, the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max models will be revolutionary in terms of functionality and design, including the elimination of notch, while the new iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max is simply the iPhone 13 with slightly more RAM. Moving forward, according to Ming-Chi Kuo, a reputable Apple analyst, has made another iPhone 14 forecast, and this time it's about the selfie camera. All four new iPhone 14s will have autofocus front-facing camera with f1.9 aperture when they launch later this year. This would be a significant improvement over the previous iPhone, which have been stuck with the fixed focus selfie cams with f2.2 aperture, and for quite some time photos and video calls and live streaming were same. Now, if that leak is true, then definitely the photos, videos, and live streaming apps will take benefits from this large aperture and autofocus. And having a large aperture will able to collect more light, resulting in better daytime and low light pictures. Not only that, the iPhone 14 series is expected to have this new tone finishing color option, and according to rumors, the iPhone 14 series will be featuring a revised color options, including a new purple color. The purple iPhone 12 was one of the nicest iPhone colors we have seen in the recent years, so bringing it back, especially for the iPhone 14 series, would almost certainly be successful with buyers. So guys, that's it in this particular video. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 14 big changes? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.